Heavy winds continued to wreak havoc on power lines across the Okanagan Valley yesterday. Dozens of lines were blown as winds from up to 90 kilometers an hour were felt. Emergency crews were busy all day dealing with trees, poles, and power lines down. Tuesday's storm left tens of thousands of people without power across much of the southern and central portions of the province. Today's weather isn't expected to be as bad as yesterday, but another Pacific storm bringing with it wind, some rain, and snow at the higher elevations is on its way. Heavy rainfall warnings with amounts as much as 50 millimeters are forecast for the Greater Vancouver and Fraser Valley, while Greater Victoria and the east and west coast of Vancouver Island could see wind gusts as much as 90 kilometers an hour. If you come across a power line down, emergency crews ask that you keep away from it approximately 100 meters in distance and call 911. For Castanet News, I'm Madison Earhart in Kelowna.
Communicate with other Castanet readers in our forum section, which can be found in the opinions button in our yellow masthead.